So starting to next decorator, that what a decorator could return, that is we have three type of decorators, that is class decorator, method decorator, and accessor decorator. So what could a class decorator return? A class decorator will return can return a class or can return a constructor. So here we take taking an example where we make a which have a class that extends our original constructor, that the constructor means we are extending here the class which extending our main class that we have above. Our class that is our main class that we are extending here. So what could a class will return? So class will return maybe a class decorator will return class decorator will return a constructor function or could return a what to say class. Hmm. Coming next to thing, what could accessor decorator will return? So it can return accessor decorator. Accessor decorator can return the property descriptor that we define here. That here property descriptor in here that is our method decorator that could return, and also there is log2 which also have same descriptor property descriptor that will return. So we are working on the method decorator that it could that will return a method property descriptors. Coming to our log 3. Here is our log 3. We return log 3. Okay, here's our data function here. So what it could return in which that we define here, that is property descriptor to return. That is property descriptor. So, so that could be returned. So to do this, let's go to our next HTML file and what let's go to this that making a simple button here that would put button it. Let us click on it. Okay. Save this. Go to our app.ts file. That if button is clicked, then the method decorator that we want to use that will return. So we see then button is clicked, then it will return something. So let's start with this class, new class that we have, just class that could have and, message as a property that will be having value that and the method just print our dot message. Just a simple function. Method. Button from there. Let's make a button that we use the that will have document getting value from where selector. What could it have? That is button. And button dot when listening. That has the thing that we have adding a question option. So let's make it constant. So constant each will have a checked. That is a full pointer. Mm, no, code is do that. Show message. Save this and run our now start another one. Let's let this another schedule the now go here options now go to if should simple display understanding this. Now so basically okay, so let's click on it. So it is not showing us anything. Let's do this, but that method could return us when we click on it. So here we use that we are not getting output there, that because we are using the function that is a method here and which having this property, then it will return the target value. Then that is we do not have any, so that is showing as the undefined, and we want to just return it to the description value, that property descriptor that we want to use, change it that we want to use. Here that is find this to that it return us only the p it is dot find what you find it to, that is to p, that that's our p. So service again got out this, click on it. So now we are getting output now because that we are using this bind, that binding that creates a bound function that we just bound our this to the our printer on this. But if we do not use it, then this will bind to the list of message and must need to from the target to the target, that will not print anything. Now our method decorator that will return the this bind, that if any wanted something that is automatically bind to this and it will print as the output. So let's go here and put this function here, function with the name of the kind, check is here. Method decorator function. So what it could return, that is a target, that street, that could return anything, and a name that will be name that will be of type, let's say string, and what that name thing, that is descriptor, it will be of type property descriptor, property descriptor. It will have a function that is method. We have descriptor dot value. That's not value, and method constant, that is have a just descriptor, that will be of type property descriptor, and that is a, and what it have, that is the variable that we use to adjust or by updating our own values for this, that is configurable will be true. And next thing is an value that we have the variable that will be false, and where we have a get function that has such constant function that is an original that dot bind this, done. Now our test that function having such error here that not declared. So let's remove this just by adding that we can use this later, or we are not using this, but here there could be present here. Yeah, name that add descriptor is not used. So let's run this error here. That is outside this that we have done function this down our 82 at descriptor, and now let's remove our dot bind, because now this automatically binds to our this, that whenever we use this dot something, then it will always call this, that is using we have that method decorator returning by using this, that if we using all such this dot message, then we will auto bind this value to the property descriptor that we define here, that adjust descriptor that will be a type of property descriptor, so it will return only this type, so that will bind to this. Let's save this and go to our com, not saving, let's click on save this. Okay, and such error, save